Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We're doing another alternate card using elements from the August 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I have taken the lotus flower stamp and I used kind of this, the die cut as my kind of guide on how to color it up. So I've stamped all over. But I thought I'd wait and do the last one with you on the video here. So I've got Bubble Bath, Melon Mambo, and Daffodil Delight. And I'm going to ink up in the Bubble Bath. And then I'm going to put a sponge dauber of Daffodil Delight in the middle. And then I'm going to take the dauber with the Melon Mambo and just go around the edge, a little bit in the middle, just a couple of little highlights like that. And then I'm going to stamp it down. So we're just going to pop this one down here like this, give it a push, and then you get the variations in color. Each one's a little bit different based on where you put your sponge daubers, but it gives you the opportunity to take one stamp and have multiple colors on it. So I'm just going to close my ink pads up because I will put my hands in them. And I thought it's a bit plain. I'm going to use the, I think it's the Painted Texture folder. I don't know why I can't remember that, but it is the Painted Texture 3D embossing folder, yes. So I'm going to run it through the Stampin' Cut machine and the emboss and cut machine, and we'll emboss that, and it's going to bang there. Oh, quiet, that's good. Okay, and here we go. So that's just giving it a bit more detail, a bit more of that kind of watercolory type background. I have used the Charming Sentiments stamp and dies. The dies for these are great. There's kind of a die for every greeting, so you can cut out the greetings specifically. Okay, well, let's get this mounted up. And I used my blends to color up a couple of the, just the plain gems that are in the kit. So we're just going to put this on a Melon Mambo card base and just drop that down. And then I'm going to put the greeting right here. I put dimensionals on it. And just pop this down like this. Like that. So we've got that there. And I'm just going to add some bling. So I wanted to say thank you to all the new people who've been commenting this week and sharing their ideas. I appreciate you, and I respond to all the comments. And if you have a question, I respond to the question as well. So I look forward to hearing from you again. And that I really love the community. People comment on other people's comments, and everybody is so good and so friendly, and they share their ideas so freely. And I love the community. So thank you very much for making it such a positive place to connect. There we go. So I've put just 3 of the Melon Mambo, the larger of the dots, and then 2 of the Daffodil Delight. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.